Hi Gemini.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Today I want to talk to you in English language for the speaking.
That sounds great. I'm happy to chat in English. What would you like to talk about today? Anything on your mind or anything you'd like to practice?
Yes, I would like to practice a topic today.
Excellent. What area would you like to focus on? We could talk about daily life, hobbies, travel, or anything else you find interesting. What do you think?
I think that we often talk these topics, but today I'm thinking one topic which is very interesting.
That sounds promising. What interesting topic have you got in mind?
Now it's festival time. Chhat Puja, Diwali and Durga Puja, right? Many festivals.
Absolutely. Durga Puja was just a couple of weeks ago. It's a time of great celebration and coming together.
I feel now it's festival time and we are not speaking, we are not practicing, we are not talking about English language, we are not doing anything like that. And I know a lot of people are also not doing, right? English learners. So today I thought let's talk about celebration, festivals, as it's Diwali, Chhat Puja, Karwa Chauth, Durga Puja. So, how can you teach to English learners if anybody asks you about festivals?
That's a great idea. Learning about festivals is a fun way to practice English. When people ask you about these festivals, you could start by describing what they celebrate. For example, you could say, Diwali is the festival of lights, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Then you could mention the specific activities you enjoy, like lighting lamps, sharing sweets, or visiting family. Would you like help practicing describing any particular festival?
Yeah, let's talk about Diwali. Now it's Diwali time, and I know people are celebrating Diwali. They are worshipping, they are praying, they are enjoying with lights, colorful lights, brighten up lights. But people are not practicing English and they even don't think, many people are there who are English learners, they don't know that we should practice our festivals related to Diwali. Now it's Diwali time, so what would you like to teach to learners? Maybe learners know that lights, colorful lights, bright lights, and firecrackers, burst firecrackers, light lamps. These are the things many people know, but many people don't know many things. What will you teach them?
That's a great idea. We can definitely focus on Diwali for our English practice. You mentioned some common words like lights, colourful lights, bright lights, firecrackers, burst firecrackers, and light lamps. Those are excellent starting points. To add to that, we could explore words related to the spiritual side of Diwali, such as worship, prayer, deity or goddess, referring to Lakshmi, and offerings. We could also discuss the delicious food associated with Diwali, like sweets and mithai. Would you like me to explain any of these words in more detail or create some sample sentences using them?
Yes, I would love to know.
Wonderful. Let's start with worship. It means to show reverence or adoration towards a deity or something sacred. For example, we can say, many people worship Goddess Lakshmi during Diwali. Does that make sense?
Yep. Can you teach me vocabularies related to festival?
Certainly. Let's move on to some more advanced vocabulary. How about the word commemorate? It means to remember and celebrate something important. For instance, we could say, Diwali commemorates the epic victory of light over darkness.